This is the Nite Ize Cam Jam. Got about 20 of these for our 23Zero awnings. Got some upgraded tent stakes. They've got reflective rings around them. These are hardened steel to go through rocks and all that. Instead of using the provided tent stakes, I never like to use them because, you know, they got to keep pricing down. These bend really easy. And this is the paracord that comes with it from 23Zero for the wall kit. Again, this will work, but I'm going with upgraded paracord. I bought 250 feet of Orange Reflective Paracord, and this is a 550 cord, so it's super tough, super durable. I've used this for, I don't know, 35, 40 years now. And we cut 8-foot sections. We melted the sections, and I'm just going to come in here, give myself a little bit of double over, and just tie a simple half hitch knot through this. I'm going to loop that over the little hook and then just snug it up. It doesn't have to be super, super tight. And then what I'm going to do here is, if you look at these cam jams, you're going to run your hole. I've got this clip to the left. This is the back side of it, so you see you can't see the cam. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the paracord through there, and I think this is 5mm paracord, and just pull it down, and that's going to cinch it. It still allows me to just pull on this to tighten it up, and then to release it, I just pull it and it comes loose. We've already done, I think, 7 or 8 of them. I'm going to show you how we're going to hook this up on the wall right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clip in first, and I'm just going to come out about the same distance that I have those, about right here. Maybe 2 feet, tilted toward the tent. Got really soft ground to work with. You don't have to hammer these down a bunch. And then all you do here is you just pull this, and it's tight. So there you go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the wall tent. And that's just going to give it a little stability. We can also come down from the top and tie up to those, but up there, if it's a lot of wind. This is just to hold the tent out, and let's see what it looks like on the inside, how much more room we have now that we've pulled the walls out a little bit. Look at that, ton of room in there. Ton of room. I called it a tent. It feels like a tent. This is the 180 Peregrine Pro awning by 23Zero. There you go. Got the lights on top too. 43 days out from the Yukon River Quest 2026.